The StratusLIVE 365 financial model is comprised of several core entities, including pledges, recurring payments, soft credits, and non-cash gifts. Within StratusLIVE 365, pledges are promised support of funds from donors that will be paid and processed in the future. Pledges are tied to campaigns, campaign activity groups, and opportunities. In this example, Charlie Smith made a $50,000 pledge on April 25, 2019, of which he is currently paid $25,000 or 50%. Each pledge has an associated invoice and one or more invoice designation records that describe the donor's intended use of the contribution. The invoice designation contains the attributes necessary to describe the percentage and amount of the pledge to be allocated to a specific designation, program, initiative, or external agency, along with the appropriate debit and credit accounts for accurate general ledger reporting. Pledges also have invoice schedules, which maintain the dates and amounts that make up the invoice payment terms for the pledge itself. StratusLIVE 365 also tracks recurring payments. Recurring payments receive a different accounting treatment in that pledges have a defined end date, whereas a recurring payment is typically ongoing until the donor requests to stop the gift. Within StratusLIVE 365, payments are the individual check, cash, credit card, or electronic transactions that a donor submits to your fundraising organization. Like pledges, payments are tied to campaigns, campaign activities, and campaign activity groups. In this example, our donor made a $25,000 payment by check on May 21, 2020. Each payment has one or more payment designation records that describes the donor's intended use of the contribution, along with the appropriate debit and credit accounts for accurate general ledger reporting. Payment designations can be thought of as the detail records for a payment and include such details as pledge fulfillment, gift and event registration, and others. For example, we see here that this payment from Charlie Smith is being used to fulfill a portion of his $50,000 pledge. Soft credits within StratusLIVE 365 are a way to give financial credit to a constituent for their dollars they are not actually paying. Soft credits do not create a financial obligation between the constituent and the fundraising organization. They are best used to give credit for matching gifts paid by the constituent's employer or to give credit for the influencing or soliciting gifts on behalf of the fundraising organization. Soft credits can be tied to both pledges and payments and can be used to increase a donor's recognition level within the system. In this example, we see a soft credit of $50,000. This is tied to Charlie Smith's $50,000 pledge, and we can see that Brian was soft credited for this gift since he, as a board member, solicited Charlie for this donation. StratusLIVE 365 also provides a means of tracking non-cash gifts such as securities, gifts in kind, and others through the process of acquiring and liquidating the gift in the form of a detailed non-cash gift record that attaches to a payment record. The non-cash gift record allows you to track several key data points, including the gift value, such as the donor's estimated value and the appraised value, the liquidation value, and securities-related information if the donor elected to make a stock donation. Financial entities within StratusLIVE 365 provides nonprofits the flexibility to receive and track support in a variety of ways.